guys, it's your girl Amber K, finally back with another video. Yes, I've been gone for a while now, but I've been trying to get myself situated. As you can see, a little stuff back here, but let's not get to that yet. I'm in the process of trying to start a lip gloss business, or just a business in general. And yes, everyone and their mother wants to start a business or even start a lip gloss business. I'm saying the same thing too, but let's get past that, because I've had this idea in my head for a while now, and now I can execute it. So this is an unboxing. What is it? Unboxing? An unboxing video. So I got quite a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've opened half of these packages and I was like, wait, I can do an unboxing video. So I just taped them back up and I was like, okay, let's go. So let me get my scissors. What do I open first? Oh, I've opened these and I've sanitized them. Lysol spray and some disinfectant wipes. Because I'm a little paranoid. But let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. Most of these things are from Amazon. And this is the Mica powder. I think I got the wrong one, but that's okay. And these are all the colors. Hold up. I think this thing is a little too bright. So I got all the colors. Well, not all, but I got most of them. You can't see these because these ones up here are white. But the rest is yellow and gold and stuff. That's that. Then what else? Oh. So I forgot the lip gloss base. It came today. So I was like, once I got the lip gloss base, I'm going to do an unboxing video. So, and let me tell you a little story about this. They're on Amazon, right? For $15. 2 of them for $15. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. But it was like, okay, May 28th, 2020. They're gonna be in stock. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait till May 28th to get the lip gloss base. May 28th came. It says will be in stock May 29th. So I was like, okay, the next day. I was like, I got up early that day. I got up early on May 29th, and it said in stock June 1st. So I was like, hell no, I cannot wait this long just for this. Some lip gloss base, some funky lip gloss base. Anyway, I went to the official site for TKB trading or whatever, and yeah, TKB trading, and I got 5 of them. Y'all, I opened this one too. So I'm just gonna cut it. So the man came and he was like, we had to look inside of it because it's liquid. So yeah, 5 of them, TKB trading. Is this light bright? Okay, there you go. TKB trading. And this is the Versagel. But I don't want to just use TKB. Like, is there any other lip gloss base that I can use? Like something as good as this or even better? But I don't know. I'm new to this, so help your girl out. So I got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're like, why didn't you just get the what do you call it? The 1 pound, the 3 pound one? Honey, I'm just starting this business, okay? I do not want to spend all that money, okay? Even though I already did, but these were much cheaper on the official TKB trading website. I got this app off of Amazon. You can see I taped this back up because I already looked in it. Like, who's gonna sit here and wait and not look at the packages and just open these things as soon as you get the camera? Like, I don't want that type of surprise. I want to see it if anything is damaged so I can return it and do an official unboxing video. So let's open this one. Bubble mailers. I got a 4x6. I don't even remember, but if I do, I'm gonna just put it on the screen. I got 3 different sizes. This size, I think this is the 4x6. 4x6, I think that. And then this size, this is the biggest one. So I was like, let me get some pink bubble mailers, but then I was like, every time I like try to do my research or whatever, I see everyone has pink mumble. I see everyone has pink bubble mailers. So I was like, damn, is everyone's favorite color pink? My favorite color is pink, by the way. But yeah, I was like, wow, is everybody's favorite color pink? So I was like, you know what? Let's not be like everyone else and let's get something that's pretty too, you know, that matches that, or like it's bright. So I decided to get a yellow. Now, what's next? Ooh, I did it a little too hard. So I got some glitters. This is actually cute. If you can see it, like, damn. This is like a pink, and then the silver one. Yeah. And then, oh, I got some cute little charms. Cute. Is that childish? This looks a little childish. Got these, what do you call these? Open ring and connector. Wait, let me take it out. This. So I can put the lip gloss, the little squeezable tubes on top of those. Well, put this on top of the squeezable tubes. You can carry it on your keychain or whatever. I got some saran wrap from Dollar Tree. I also got these cushion wraps from Dollar Tree. I've got these little glass bowls, Dollar Tree. I've got 3 of them. I've got this from Dollar Tree. Well, damn. I've got these from Dollar Tree. And that's amazing because I thought you only get one, because since it's from Dollar Tree, every one item is $1. But 4 of them for $1. Then I got this from Dollar Tree as well. You know, I think I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay. I think these are the thank you stickers. These are the thank you stickers. Yes. Oh no. Do I have thank you stickers? No. These are, well, I thought of this and I was like, I'll put these outside of the bubble mailers, if you get what I'm saying. Ooh, and these are I think, yeah, these are the 1,000 piece. Is this 1,000? They told me that. We're just gonna say 1,000. Yes, the 1,000 piece crystal can put at the bottom of your little baggies, the string tie bags. And then I have some thank you cards. And I was like, let me show you how they go. They just say this: thank you for your order. We appreciate your business. This is what they say. That. And I was like, wow, okay, let me get it. But then I was doing more research, and this girl, she made her own thank you card. So I was like, I can do that. I can get some some thick paper and make my own thank you card. She made it from her phone as well. Next, what is this? Oh, this is half sheet shipping label. Print my own shipping labels, and this is it. So yeah, that's that. Amazon, all these things are from Amazon. So I've got these holographic butterflies. Like, they're so cute. I like that. And let me tell y'all about these. So I got these, but they're too small. These are the holographic 100 piece Ziploc bag. I don't know what you call them. I saw people use them. I was like, this is cute. But I think this is telling me a sign, like, don't be doing what other people is doing. Do your own stuff. Do your own thing. Get creative. So yeah. This is that bag that y'all see, but this is too small. This is a 3 by 5? No. 3 by something. This is too small, honey. Too small. It looked way bigger in the picture, and I could have sworn I took the 8 by 12. I could have sworn I had that one, but I have this one. That's a sign. I've got this glass. I have the bacterial soap. Yes, no, I did. And I have this bowl. I wanted like a big glass bowl. Something like this. Something like this, but bigger like this. This is plastic. And I don't like plastic. It's not safe. Like, is it? It's not. It's not healthy. That's the word. If I'm not supposed to be using a glass, just let me know and give me a good reason why not. Because I do. Well, plastic you can throw away, but you're hurting the environment. I've got this from Walmart. This is paper. As you can tell, I already opened it and put it in my printer paper. Regular paper, because I need a regular. This is the cardstock, is it? Yeah, cardstock paper. It's way thicker than regular paper. I also got this from Walmart. Got me some ink, but for some reason they don't have the color ink. They just have black ink in my 6-1. My 61, my size for my printer, just black. So I'm gonna have to get a color one. This is from Dollar Tree. I've got it to hold the lip gloss, make it look cute, or like when I'm filling them. Here they are. they say it's 10 milliliters empty lip gloss tubes. 40. I only got 40. Okay. Boop. Those are, and these are the stoppers and the covers in here. Then I've got me some pipettes. I think it's 100 of these. Yes, 100 of the pipettes. Then I got 3 syringe. I got me some vitamin E oil. So I got me coconut oil and castor oil. People say they use grapeseed oil. What's that other one? Some other oil they use. I don't know. A lot of people are allergic to stuff. They're allergic, and I know a lot of people that are allergic to grapes. So I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to tell you that my stuff contains coconut oil. So after that, I have Loran oils. I think I got 5 scented oils, you know, and I love to smell the tropical punch. That's nice. But these are the Loran oils, and that's it. I hope that's it. I hope I didn't forget anything. If I forgot anything, I'll just come back. See, I knew it. I forgot something. A last box right here. So let's open it. Oh yeah. What? I was like, where are my bags? I was like, I thought I did this already. But these are the organizer bags. How much came? Don't say. I think it was 50. It's white. Nothing special. A scale. Now, I should have gotten a better scale, but this was in the budget. So, and it's not bad actually. It weighs real good. So, and no batteries was included. Oh my god. See? Now look, when I first seen this, I was like, they scratched up my stuff. Look how scratched up it is. But it's okay. We can get past that. We can get past that. It's okay. Like, ain't nothing. It's gonna get scratched up anyway. It looks like it's been used. And I asked for something new. So, it's cool. We're not even gonna stress that. Say, why didn't they give me that option to choose a yellow one? Matches my business. Just come on this business journey with me and watch me grow everywhere. Watch me grow my business. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, because more content is coming right after this video. Peace.